Okay, this is here is set up enough. Now I feel comfortable stepping on it without any harm. So I'll fill these two up. Once I fill them up this level, and then I put a put that stick there, which give me another about 1 inch, and then I can, in this case, I put the little solar system rocks. That case was just flat iron ore. In this case here, it's just going to be the kind of like iron ore pea gravel. That just going to sprinkle it on top like regular pea gravel. I don't know what I'm going to do up there yet. I'll do something, but I'll pour it in there real slow. I'll probably still make a darn mess. I mixed it up in the I'm just using sackcrete, 80-pound bags. I think I've used maybe 10 so far. It's a pretty good bit of volume there. Even with those rocks, it's a pretty good bit of volume. I just mix it up in the front end loader, and that way I can pull up there and dump it out real slow, real easy. Because I mean, I could build a ramp. There's also going to be this is going to extend out. The lowest part is going to extend out and tie into that. I could build a ramp, but it gets real hard when you get concrete and you're building a ramp and you got to tilt it over, and it's a whole lot easier just using the front end loader on the tractor. I can place it a whole lot easier. See, it takes, you notice that thing is flat full of rocks. It takes a pretty good bit. That was 3 bags there. I wish I'd have done 4. I think 4 would have done it. I had to put some board. See if I can't put a few more bags in there. will about do it. Get over there and wash Priscilla's bucket out before she realized that I was doing concrete in it. Okay, I got it filled in. Put my strip on. I smoothed that out. I didn't realize I didn't have the camera on. All I'm doing now is just taking this, putting it way too thick. Most of that's not going to stay in the concrete, but a lot of it will. This is just what we call iron ore rock. Around here, our rock is what they called iron ore. I don't think there's enough iron in it to, well, there must not be because there's no iron mills around here, or iron plants or whatever. But we still call it iron ore rock for some reason. I don't know if you could hear me a while ago, but clay and that stuff on top of it, once it gets worked into that clay, you don't want to fall on it. I mean, it will tear you to pieces. It becomes just like a regular pea gravel and tar road. I mean, it's some tough sandpaper. And then, of course, it's going to depend on your temperature. But I'll start kind of walking it. Give it a good test first. And I'll kind of walk it down. I put that stuff kind of thick, but a lot of this is going to come off. I only want that. If I put down 1 inch on it and ½ inch stays, that's pretty good. But I'm looking at my board there, seeing how much I'm tamping down below that board.